Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So first of all, this was way before the lockdown, okay? How are you? I hope you are staying as safe as you can. Please stay safe. This is not even a joke. Alright, you guys stay safe and do not forget that I love you, especially my subscribers and those that support me. I love you guys so much. For crying out loud. I'm going to be taking you guys through an entire week in my life. So I made breakfast and then I was going to go supply stuff to my client. These are my products. She ordered for these and she also ordered for a box of mackerel, and I just had to go deliver to her, and my supplier disappointed me, so I had no choice but to stop by a local market. Happiness, say hi to my camera. Hi. That's Happiness, my precious staff. She's now like a sister to me. She's been with me for like 4 years now. Yeah, this is Utako Market. I have shown you guys Utako Market like twice this period. I came to pick the fish from this guy. I always buy from him anytime my client, the person I buy from disappoints me, my supplier. So this is the box of mackerel. It's so cute. Gosh, I love mackerel. So nothing much. I just picked it up, paid, and went straight to my client's house to go supply. My husband drove me. So this area is called Mabushi, close to Mabushi Bridge, close to Ministry of Works, Abuja. Next day, I was going to Intel office to go buy my fi because I was just fed up with my own internet. Internet is expensive and annoying sometimes. And then when Etetim came to Abuja, she was using this Intel. I was using Smile at the time and Airtel. But she told me about Intel, and I had heard a couple of people say good stuff about Intel, so I decided to try it out. I bought it for 24,000 naira. And then now, this particular day, guys, I was looking for a very good blender. This is Grand Square Abuja. I know you have Grand Square Lagos as well, but this is Grand Square Abuja. I was looking for a very good blender because I realized that for you to get a good blender that can blend hard food stuff like beans and stuff, it has to be from 600 watts to like 1,000 plus, like 600 above, okay? But at this place, I was so disappointed. It did not really have. This is so heartbreaking. They only have this one, but it's cute. Finish. These ones are for smoothies. I went ahead to Wuse Market. This is Wuse Market. I went to check. I didn't find. I found, but it was way beyond my budget, so I came to Pack and Shop. This was the very place where I found a very good blender. In Pack and Shop, guys, you can buy stuff and pay instrumentally. Anything at all. You can buy it and pay instrumentally, television and all of that. I videoed it for you guys to see. So this television now goes for 146,000 naira, but you can pay 15,891 every month for 12 months. And then this one you can pay 99,000 every month, and it goes for 900 and something K. So I feel like it's cute. Even the blender, I realized that I could pay twice, but well, it was really cheap, so there was no need.
You pay 70K every month.
So they had to try the blender for me. They tested it to be sure that it was working well, and yeah, I've been
You see the key, okay. You need to click.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So you don't need to force.
those that watched my tiger nut milk video, I used this blender. It has 600 watts or so, 600 plus, I guess. Hello guys, good morning. So guys, my godson's birthday is next tomorrow, and yeah, we're going to have a photo shoot for him today. I'm so excited. Like, I love him so much. You guys are going to meet my godson. I cannot wait to show you guys. Do you know how I feel? There's the way I feel about him. Maybe because I was in the delivery room with his mom all through, so I feel like he's my child. I love him so much. He's going to be 2 already. I'm like, just yesterday. Okay, so it's not good to film while driving. I'll be back, okay? So I'm in traffic again. So I was saying, he's a precious child. We're just doing like a very short, they're passing us again. A very short photo shoot, anyways. So, yeah. I really don't have much to say. I just want to be in front of your faces. I don't have much to let me not lie. So we're going to the studio right now. I am going to the studio. I'm going to meet his parents. Okay, first of all, we're going to give him a haircut, and then after his haircut, we're going to the studio. So you guys come with me.
We could stay, but I got other demons I need to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose. Show me you can be more than just my
Baba, come this way now, please. Come this way. Hey, God. Open it by yourself, really. You see why I think you're a big boy? Wait, let me open it. Wait. Yeah. You can really open it.
He's the expert of it. I'll go to the fridge.
Okay, you're so grown up, eh?
He's doing like a baby.
Is he not a baby?
It's a baby, but we know they know. Sorry, let me.
Baba, did you say thank you?
Hey, Fred. Why will you be looking at him?
Yeah, sit down.
Baby, is there a way you can sit to us?
Your own cannot be yellow like my own.
No, don't mind me. Guys, so today is my godson's birthday. I want to pick something for him. I'm not yet sure what I want to get for him. By the way, this is my brother-in-law. I'm sure he's not happy that he's showing me. But wait, I want to pick something for him. I'm at this moment. I think I'll show you the more instead of talking.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to.
I'm going to probably pick, guys, I'm broke, so I cannot. His first birthday, I was not broke. I got him a very nice gift, and now he's 2. So I'm just going to pick maybe a t-shirt or a nice shoe or something. Well, let's find out. Look at this fine girl. Look at this fine. How can somebody be this cute? 100 million years. Sorry, nothing like. Yeah, so that's the water side. Anyways, we're not going there. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you the water. That's a lake. That's where I'm going. This is where we're going to church. You guys, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. So I'm at this place with my friend. It's just a very, yeah, you have to see my friend. Okay, I'm not going to show you, don't worry. So it's just a very chill place. I'm going to probably do a video here where I'll show you guys the entire facility. There's an Airbnb situation here as well. I'm going to show you guys. So this is what my week has been like basically. I have noodles and this smoothie right here in front of me, and I'm about to eat it. I'm tired, guys. I'm sure you can tell. So, well, I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, so I saw my godson and we had such a good time. He played, jumped, we ate cake and stuff like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed taking you guys along with me. So I'm just gonna eat my food now. I'm going to see you in my next one. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and then hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Alright, don't forget that I love you. Bye guys.